Welcome, my dear students. Hope you all are doing fine. Standard 3rd, Subject EVS, that is Science, Lesson number 11, Our Need for Air. Now, students, I am going to ask you one riddle. Can you tell? There's something there, it is to be found, up and down and all around. You can't touch it, you can't see it, but sure as sure you can name it. Yes, dear students, you have guessed it right. It is air. There is air all around us. We can feel it, we cannot see it. Air is mixture of gases on the earth. It does not have color, smell or taste. Moving air is called wind. Now we will try this small activity. Blow a balloon. What did you feel into it? Yes, students, we have filled air into a balloon. But when we feel excess of air inside a balloon, it bursts. Moving forward, now we will see what is inhalation, exhalation and respiration. Inhalation. When we breathe in air through our nose, that is called inhalation. Exhalation. When we breathe out air through the nose, that is called exhalation. Respiration. Inhalation and exhalation are together called breathing. We breathe continuously, that is called respiration. Now students, try keeping your mouth shut and close for few seconds. How do you feel? We feel suffocated. We can't breathe for few seconds. We feel uneasy. Right, students? Why do we breathe? All living things need air for breathing. We breathe in oxygen. Air is needed for our body to function properly. It makes us feel fresh and lively. It is necessary for our body to get the vigor we need to work properly. When a man is sleeping quietly, why do we see his chest going up and down? It means that he is breathing, even he is sleeping. Do you know fish lives in water? They breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. Some people keep fish in a glass tank called an aquarium. People fix machines or filters to provide oxygen to the fish kept in the tanks. If all the air is used up, the fish would die. Therefore, the filters have to be kept on continuously to provide oxygen. Due to the filters, you can see air bubbles rising up through the water in such fish tanks. What we have learnt, once we will go through it. There is air everywhere. We cannot see it with our eyes. Air does not have color, smell or taste. Living things need air for respiration. Thank you.